Hello, welcome to Calvin's Learning Math. Let us look at this nice question. Solve the following quadratic equation using completing the square method. So we have a squared x squared is equal to abx plus 2b squared. So before we do anything about completing the square method, we have to write the equation in standard form, that is in the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So let us do that. So we have a squared x squared, then we take the others to the left, so they will be negative abx minus 2b squared is equal to 0. So now let us go to the method that is completing the square. So the first step is to make the coefficient of x squared equals to 1. So it means we divide through by a squared. So we divide everything by a squared so that we have x squared minus b over a x minus 2b squared over a squared is equal to 0. So the next step would be to check the constant term to the right. So we have x squared minus b over a x is equal to 2b squared over a squared. Now the left hand side is left incomplete, so we complete it by introducing a new c because we took the c away. So c is given by half of b squared. So that is what we do. We now take half of b. Our b in this case is negative b over a. So we take half of it, square it, and add it to both sides of the equation. We're going to have x squared minus b over a x plus half of this will be minus b over 2a, and we square it. And we have to do that to the right hand side of the equation to keep the balance. So we have minus b over 2a also squared. So now let us take the perfect square in the left hand side by taking the square root of x squared, which is just x, and we add it to the square root of the new c, which would just be minus b over 2a, and then we square that. And then now we simplify what we have on the right hand side. So minus b over 2a squared will be b squared over 4a squared. So we continue simplifying on the right hand side. So we have x minus b over 2a squared. Then we can combine these two fractions using their LCM, which is just 4a squared. So a squared into 4a squared 4 times. 4 times 2b squared is 8b squared. Now plus 4a squared into 4a squared 1. 1 times b squared is just b squared. So what we have now is x minus b over 2a squared being equal to 8b squared plus b squared is 9b squared over 4a squared. So then we just take the square root of both sides of this equation. On the left we have x minus b over 2a, and on the right we have plus or minus. Root of 9 is 3, root of b squared is b, and root of 4 is 2, root of a squared is a. So this means that x is given by b over 2a plus or minus 3b over 2a. We can combine these to be b plus or minus 3b over 2a. So this means there are two possible solutions of x. The first one is when we take the positive sign, that is b plus 3b over 2a, and the second one is when we take the negative sign, that is b minus 3b over 2a. So if we take the first case, b plus 3b is 4b. We have 4b over 2a, which is just 2b over a as the first solution. And if we take b minus 3b over 2a, that will be minus 2b over 2a, which is minus b over a. So we can check if these solutions are true. So let us start with the first one, that is 2b over a. So just substitute back in our expression, in our equation. So we had a squared times x squared. So x squared is 2b over a squared, and I want to see if that is going to be equal to a bx, and x is 2b over a plus 2b squared. So let us simplify both sides and see if the equation balances. So this is the same as a squared times 2b squared, that is 4b squared over a squared. And we check that is going to be equal to, we multiply this, that will be 2b squared plus 2b squared. So on this side, a squared and a squared will cancel, so we are left with 4b squared, and we see if that is equal to 2b squared plus 2b squared, that is 4b squared. So both sides of the equation are equal, to mean that this first solution is correct. We can also try with the other solution, that is minus b over a. So we have a squared into x squared. So the other solution that we had was minus b over a. So we have minus b over a squared, and we check if that is going to be equal to abx. Abx is minus b over a, now plus 2b squared. So on this side we have a squared times b squared over a squared. So we see if that is going to be equal to ab times minus b over a, that is just minus b squared, and that is plus b, 2b squared. So on this side, a squared and a squared will cancel, so we have b squared, and we see if it's going to be the same as minus b squared plus 2b squared, we use just b squared. So both sides of the equation are equal, to mean that our solution is also true. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe, and see you in the next video.